Hi folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacksonville Beach, and today I have the pleasure of showing you the all-new 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. Now we're going to start back here in the aft section and we're going to work our way through the boat to show you some of the great features that are on this boat that make it so unique. First thing I'm going to show you back here is in this aft section is this great shower wash wand. Not only does it give you a washout port here right on the transom area, but it also provides you with a pole that you can insert that's stored underneath this seat cushion, and it allows you to give you a full shower head so you're not holding the shower over your head. Just a unique feature that Sea Ray offers to make your experience on the boat that much different than others. As we move past the twin 600 Mercuries that are on this boat, you'll notice right here in the aft section we'll start right off with great storage, which will be mirrored throughout the entire boat. When we move towards the salon area, before we get there, you're going to notice that this seat cushion here has a nice lever that will allow it to cantilever over. And the purpose for that is when you drop this beach door down, you can sit here and enjoy your experience on the water from this seating versus having to face forward. So you're facing towards the beach door, giving you a much better experience on the water. As we move towards the salon area, the first thing you're really going to notice here is just this huge expansive space for entertaining for your family and friends. Beautiful teak table is one of the things that really sets this area apart. In addition to this really great summer kitchen, which will offer you twin grill setup, a freshwater sink, a trash receptacle, as well as a fridge and an icebox. Now, when we move closer up here towards the helm, the first thing you're going to notice at the helm is just how well organized it is and how clean looking it is from the station where you would drive the boat. This boat, of course, is married with a joystick command as well as integrated switching throughout. Very easy boat to handle, very easy within all close quarters, and it's as Sea Ray does with their dynamic running surface. Another feature that they like to include with the SLX series, they like to include all members of the crew so that when you are in the boat, you don't have to sacrifice this seat. You can always include it with the social setting, and that way it's part of what you're doing back in the aft section of the boat. As we move up towards the bow, before we go down towards the cabin, I wanted to show you just how huge this space is up here for as a number of people that seating. You have a nice seating arrangement for 3 here, nice seating up front as well. There's also storage underneath the seating up here as well as storage in the floor, of course accompanied by your windlass up here in the bow and a spotlight, which is an optional on this boat. Now let's move on back to the cabin, because this particular Sea Ray does give the option to be able to sleep up to 4 people on board at a time. So while you're down here in the cabin, first thing you'll notice is it has this great V-berth right up here, which this table will lower down, and there's some supply cushions that are stored under the pocket, under the smaller sleeping area under here, so you can turn this into a sleeping service, and then you have a nice queen size bed underneath that gives you even more sleeping capabilities on board the boat. Inside the head compartment, you of course have a full-size head, full-size shower as well, very nicely appointed. And of course, this boat is accompanied with air conditioning, not only down in the cabin, but as an option, you can also have air conditioning up here in the helm. Would love for you to come out and check this boat out. My name's Will Porter here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you soon.